Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to be notified when we upload new content. On Friday, the price of XRP experienced a modest increase of 2.85%. This rise partially reversed a 4.20% slide from the previous day, as XRP ended the day trading at $0.39530. Despite this bullish session, XRP fell short of the 40 cents handle for the first time in 3 sessions. The day began on a bearish note, with XRP falling to a low of $0.38142 in the first hour of trading. However, it managed to avoid dropping below the first major support level, S1, at $0.3776 and rallied to a late high of $0.39985. XRP managed to break through the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3978 before eventually easing back to its closing price of $0.39530. The ongoing SEC v. Ripple case continues to be a critical factor in the crypto market. However, on Friday, there were no new updates in the case that could provide any specific direction for XRP prices. As a result, XRP's movement was largely influenced by the broader crypto market. In the second half of the week, regulatory risk subsided after the SEC took action against Kraken and Binance USD, BUSD. The scrutiny of the SEC by U.S. lawmakers also eased fears that the regulatory agency would have unchecked power to target U.S. crypto-related firms. Despite the lack of updates from the SEC v. Ripple case, optimism toward the outcome continued to provide price support for XRP. A favorable ruling for Ripple could force U.S. lawmakers to task the CFTC with regulating the digital asset space. However, the recent reports of SEC ties with FTX and former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried have raised concerns about the impartiality of the regulatory agency. Gary Gensler, the current SEC chairman, will want to avoid further embarrassment in light of these reports. The ongoing focus on the William Hinman speech-related documents underscores their significance in the SEC v. Ripple case. These documents are seen by investors as the SEC's Achilles heel, and the threat of their becoming publicly available could force the agency to settle. Increased scrutiny of the SEC's actions by U.S. lawmakers following the FTX bankruptcy has also made the possibility of further embarrassment more likely. Such embarrassment could force lawmakers to hand the reins of regulation over to the CFTC, which would be a favorable outcome for crypto market leaders. The significance of the William Hinman speech-related documents lies in the content they contain and how this content can influence the case. Before the SEC filed its summary judgment reply brief and motion to redact content from the documents, the agency made at least 6 attempts to shield the documents under attorney-client privilege. However, the court ruled against the SEC on each occasion, eventually forcing the agency to hand the documents over to the Ripple defense team. It's worth noting that Ripple is not alone in its battle against the SEC over the William Hinman speech-related documents. Former SEC Director of the Division of Corporation Finance William Hinman said in a famous speech that Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, are not securities. In late 2021, Empower Oversight filed a lawsuit against the SEC, alleging that former SEC officials were biased against Ripple Lab and XRP. The lawsuit also claims that William Hinman received millions of dollars from his former employer while helping guide the SEC's regulation of cryptocurrencies. At the time, Hinman was a former employee of Simpson Thacher, which is part of a group that promotes enterprise Ethereum. Hinman returned to Simpson Thacher after leaving the SEC. Speaking from Davos in January, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse shared his views on the speech-related documents, saying, "When those come to light, I think you will see more kind of like, how is it possible for the SEC to decide to bring a case against Ripple given what they were saying within their own walls?" Leave a comment down below and let us know what you think about this video.